Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got an awesome review for you all to check out. This one's coming from Ringke. Now we want to thank Ringke in the Door for sponsoring this video. We've been eyeballing this case for quite some time. We were just about to buy it. And thank you, Ringke. Thank you for the donation. Now, with that being said, let's kick off this review. First off, Ringke makes other products. This company gets down. One thing I want to recommend is a bezel ring for your Galaxy Watch and or your Gears 3. If you have one, it will be worth the buy. I will leave a link in the description down below for you guys to go have a closer look at some of their products. With that being said, let's kick off. Let's check this out. This is a Ringke Galaxy Bud case. As I said, I've been eyeballing this for a very long time. And let me tell you why. First off, a case like this is going to keep this out of your pocket. It's going to keep it out of your purse. It's going to keep it from getting scuffed up like mine's have. Although it looks good on camera, it does get scuffed up, rubbing against your keys, your phone, or whatever you may have. This is good to have to put on your book bag, your luggage. You can put this on your belt holster, and it's easy, accessible, and that's why I like it. You can put this on a Christmas list because it is coming up. And some of you all who got the Galaxy Note 10, who pre-ordered it, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, some of you all ordered your Galaxy Buds, right? So now here's a case to put on top of that. Now, it comes in a few colors. I got the navy color. It comes also in a black, a white, a pink, and what is called a honey mustard, which looks awesome. You guys got to check that out. I will leave a link in the description down below for this product. So make sure you go check it out. All right. With that being said, let's have a look at this thing. And it's not white. Again, like I said, I got the navy color, which is cool. You got your specs on the back. But let's go ahead. Let's open this up and have a closer look at it. First in the box is going to be your clip. So you can put that on your holster or put it onto your outside of your purse. Let's check this out. Now, what I like about it, it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels really, really nice. So you got some writings on the back. You got Ringke, and I do not mind because I love Ringke products. You got Ringke on the front. And this is good. So listen, you got to make sure you line this up perfectly. Let's get this out of here as well. So we could clip it on. All right, we'll put that right there for the time being. And we're going to take the Galaxy Bud case. Now, you got to make sure you line it up because you know you got your LED. So you got to match the LED with the hole right here. Make sure it's perfect. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this in. We're going to take this off the 3M tape. All right, here we go. Let's line this up. Now, this should hold pretty good, right? Even it out, press it down real good. As it heats up over time, it's going to stick really, really good. This should be pretty nice, right? Just squeeze it a couple of times in the middle, and we're going to take it off the top as well. Okay, you all, let's put on the top. Now, the top goes on this way. Ringke is here on the front, and you're going to see this lip right here. The back is going to be clean. So you want to put this on the front where the opening is. Once you get it on there, you should feel a clip onto the front. You'll feel it. And just press down on it to make sure the adhesive sticks, of course, to the case itself. And then voila, you're in there. And that's how it should look. You see how it clips onto the case to hold on to it. Close it, open it, there you go. You're all good. Now, the back is exposed for you to charge it. Again, we're going to check to see if the LED light comes on and if it works with wireless charging. So let's get this on here. There we go. We're in there. Not bad. All right, wireless charging. Let's see if it works. Works with wireless charging, as you can see. There you go. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.